Welcome to Ford Pass SmartLink. Ford Pass SmartLink connects you with your vehicle right through your smartphone and gives you a new level of convenience, safety, and security. With features like remote start, lock, unlock, vehicle health, alerts, location, driver performance score, and Wi-Fi. It extends the range of your key fob to virtually anywhere, so you can connect with your vehicle using your smartphone and the Ford Pass app. A remote lock feature makes it easy to be sure your car is locked without having to go back and check. And it monitors your vehicle's health every day, every mile. If your check engine light comes on, you can find out what it means and easily connect with your dealership to schedule an appointment. Ford Pass SmartLink's constant flow of information helps you feel more in control while giving you enhanced peace of mind. It also acts as your vehicle's 24-hour security guard, notifying you if someone tampers with your vehicle while you're away. Maybe most importantly, it helps you keep track of loved ones, helping you feel more at ease. It also has a Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can take the entertainment with you wherever you go and get things done more conveniently. Ford Pass SmartLink provides key features that deliver what Ford owners told us they value most: control, vehicle health, connectivity, security, safety, and efficiency.